In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the upper fan shroud on your GMC K1500. This will be located right in the front of the engine bay. Let's get started. Pull the wire loom out of the shroud on both sides. We have a plastic clip in the front. We're going to use a trim tool and pop that out. Just like that. We're going to slide this back out of our way. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove the top 3 screws. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove the 2 bolts on the side of the shroud. Go right down beside the upper radiator hose, and there's going to be one more. Do the same thing on the other side. Pull the upper radiator hose back and lift the shroud up and out and remove it from the vehicle. Install the fan shroud. There's alignment pins on the front that are going to drop into the lower cover. Get the bolt started. Install the 2 bolts down on the side and snug them down. Do the same thing on the other side. Snug down the bolts across the top. Pull the wire harness up and over and get the plastic stay in the middle, and install the wire loom into the top of the shroud. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.